Good morning, Chargers. Welcome to Charger Current News. I'm Noah.
And I'm Matthew. Let's hear the weather with less than an Ada.
Hi, Chargers. This is this week's weather. Monday is a sunny with a high of 72, low 46. Tuesday, cloudy, high of 76, low 50. Wednesday, sunny, high of 80, low 56. Thursday, high of 83, low 56. Friday, high of 84, low 57.
Sounds like it's cooling down.
Imagine being a new student in the cafeteria. You don't know anyone, you don't know where you fit in. It can be scary. But you can make a difference.
Hey, come sit with us.
When someone approaches, smile, say hi, and make room. It takes bravery to find a place in this world, and you can help by making others feel included. This is called being inclusive.
Now let's hear the lunch menu from Rachel and Trace.
On Monday, we're having chicken teriyaki.
On Tuesday, we're having tacos.
Wednesday, we're having cheeseburgers.
On Thursday, we're having sourdough
Friday,
steak.
we're having soft pretzels with cheese.
That lunch menu sounds yummy.
Let's hear what Jace and Kyron have to say about sports for this week.
Here's this week's and next week's sports. Tuesday, September 2nd, soccer at home against North Putnam. Girls win 6-0 and boys win 5-3. 7th and 8th grade volleyball at home versus Cascade. 7th lost 20-25 and 20-25. 8th grade lost 12-25, 25-16, and 17-15. Boys tennis home Park Heritage 7-3 win. Cross country at Tri-West with Frankfurt. Ethan King placed 2nd, Braylon Burkholder placed 4th, and Elizma Santana placed 6th. Wednesday, September 3rd, football at home. 7th grade won 12-8 and 8th grade won 18-6. Golf at Crawfordsville. North Montgomery won 226 against Crawfordsville 272. Win. These girls are undefeated. Thursday, September 4th, boys tennis home Western Boone win 4-1. Strom went to a tiebreaker for the 4th win of the season. Soccer Tri-West girls lost 1-4. Boys soccer win North Montgomery 4, Tri-West 0. 7th and 8th grade volleyball at Covington. 7th grade win 28-8 and 25-13. 8th grade lost 18-15, 25-17, and 8-15. 6th grade A and B team volleyball at home against Frankfurt. A team won with 25-22 and 25-24. B team won 25-19 and 25-10. Here's a look at next week's sports. Monday, September 8th, 7th and 8th grade volleyball home against Lebanon, 5:30. Boys tennis home, Crawfordsville, 5 o'clock. Girls golf at Lebanon, 5 o'clock. 6th grade volleyball, only A team at South, 5:30. Tuesday, September 9th, soccer at home against Frankfurt, 5:30. Wednesday, September 10th, football at Cascade, 5:30. Girls golf at Tri-West, 5 o'clock. Soccer at Southmont, 5 o'clock. Thursday, September 11th, boys tennis at Frankfurt, 5:30. Cross country at Western Boone at 5:30 with Danville and Western Boone. 7th and 8th grade volleyball at Frankfurt, 5:30. 6th grade A and B team at St. Lawrence, 6 o'clock. Friday, September 12th, there's no sports going on. Saturday, September 13th, 7th and 8th grade volleyball at Clinton Perry.
Good job and good luck to all those sports.
Let's see what questions Dane and Trayson have for the teacher this week.
Hello, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Mr. Todd.
What do you teach?
I teach 7th grade social studies.
Nice. Why'd you pick to teach?
I like social studies because I like teaching about history and stories of how we came to be and just where things are as well.
Nice.
Those were some interesting questions.
Let's see what the hot topic for this week is.
How do you feel about Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce being engaged?
Oh my gosh, it's just the best thing ever.
How do you feel about Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift being engaged?
OMG. Yeah.
Okay, thanks. How do you feel about Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift being engaged?
I don't feel good about it.
Why?
It's not going to end out well.
Okay. How do you feel about Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift being engaged? It should be illegal. Okay. Why? It's just not going to work out well. Why? Music and football don't work out together.
But they play music at football stadiums.
That's a difference.
Okay.
How do you feel about Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift being engaged?
Travis Kelce.
What do you mean by that?
Travis Kelce.
Why?
Travis Kelce.
Okay.
Travis Kelce.
Wow.
Travis Kelce.
Do you know anything else?
Kelce Travis.
Okay. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Noah.
Noah.
Yeah.
How do you feel about Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift being engaged?
I hate it.
Why?
Because they don't belong together.
Why?
Because
Why?
they don't look good. They don't look good together.
Why?
Freak, cut this.
Let's see the fun segment.
Hello, Chargers. Did you know that learning can be fun? I've got some awesome fun facts to share with you today. Did you know that honey never spoils? Archaeologists found pots of honey over 3,000 years old that are still edible today. Here's another one. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. That's right, 3 hearts and blue blood. Did you know that bananas and blueberries are fruits, but strawberries aren't? Nature can be very tricky sometimes. Stay curious, Chargers, and that's always something new and amazing to learn every day.
And don't forget,
Take care of yourself
take care of each other
and
and take care of this place.